I'm finding it difficult to search for some of my friends on YT. So that is why I've decided to do this short upload. Please bear with me how to tag your video. You need to be tagging yourself. For example, you are Feb Square, you tag. So I put example of the tag at the front. So I'm going to be using my phone also to show you. Please just bear with me because the camera was late that I did this upload. So some part is dark anyway. So just bear with me. Thank you so much for your understanding. So I wanted to show my friends how it goes. I'm showing you the upload I did on LS, still processing for more than 6 hours. I don't know why. So this is how you go about it. You click that one that look like a pencil, then you go down, you see tag. Actually, I'm just giving an example here, but you have to do it from your browser. Before, it was easier to do it with the phone and you save it, but now it's no more like that, especially the tag. Other things is easier for me with the phone, but the tag is not easy. So but what you need to do when tagging your name, let's assuming the name of your channel is Ruka's Word. So you put tag at the front. You put the tag at the front. Then you type Ruka's Word. You don't need to put space. Then do others, put tag at the front. That is how we tag our video. Then you can be tagging it, use keyword, look for keyword search. At times it will tell you you've used more than enough, so you stop. But I want you to be using tag on your name when you are tagging other things, so that whosoever is looking for you can easily search for you on YTNG. Yes, that is how we roll. On YTNG, they can easily look for you there. You know, it won't be difficult. You know, this time around it's not like before. Without, there are some LS, there are some places you don't need to drop link. It's only with link you can move in easily. But now you need to type the person's name on YTNG to look for the person. I'm finding it difficult to see some of my friends. So I decided to do this video. Even if it is one that is able to help, I'm happy and I'm good to go. Thank you so much. I appreciate everyone for your love. I thank you for being there for us. Thank you for your comment that is keeping us going. And I hope you will enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment below what you think. If you've been using tag hash, tell me how it is. Tell us how to look for tag key, yes, hash keys that people are using for upload. Tell us if you know more about it. Let's help one another to grow in this community, and I know my good God will bless you all. Take care of yourself and have a nice day. Bye. Don't forget to stay safe, wash your hands. You know how we roll. So here I'm just showing you, I used my name for the tag. You might not see it. Actually, I put tag at the front, then I put my name, Feb Square TV. Then before you put another one, you can decide to put other one before but try to put your name, the name of your channel. Do you understand? Put the name of your channel. It will be easier for your friends to locate you wherever they are. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Bye. Have a blessed day.